You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora. I don't consider myself a teacher. I show you how to do it. You watch it. You go do it. I usually forget what to say. I get so into the art, I forget I'm supposed to say anything. I don't tell you how to hold the brush. I don't tell you how I dip it in the paint. You see what I'm doing? I believe you can do it too. I'm learning, you're learning. And we're all having fun. I grew up in the country, and I had to learn how to do things all the time. And I learned by watching my dad. He was a quiet man. He didn't say much. But when he did, you listened. He never finished school, but he is a wise and kind-hearted man. And I liked hanging out with him. He cared for all the animals, and he was an all-around handyman. He was always fixing or building something. And you could learn a lot from him if you just watched. And when he spoke, you listened.